Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete. Listen to the song from deep within, just only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside or served into your home. Oh, 'cause you won't listen. Listen, I am alone in this crossroad. I'm not at home in my own home. And I'm trying to say what's on my mind. You should have known. Oh, now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. I follow the voice you seem to give to me. And now I'm trying to find my own. You should have listened to the someone here inside. Someone I thought that died so long ago. I'm screaming now for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and burned into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen.